Okay, bros, welcome back. This is going to be the intro for the build series on the Rzr200. We've got the car in the garage and we're going to go over some updates. We're going to take you through turning this thing from a stock Rzr into a race car for Valentina. Come here, Vali. She's going to help me on the whole process. And today we're going to install some Acesracing seats. So follow along, give us a like, a subscribe, and all that stuff, and we'll turn this thing into a race car for you. Here's the seat we got it laid in. We got the seat laid in for now, and it looks like a pretty simple job. We got a couple of holes to drill, but it should be an easy process, so let's go. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo estás? What is it?
Is that my new one?
Whose is it?
Is that...
Go look. No, es él.
No,
Es para el niño. Surprise.
I get a helmet.
Surprise.
The problem is what is go, what is stop.
Racing seats for the Rzr200. We're gonna put these together. They match someone's hair. So they got submarine sides and then the top. Looks like it can zip off.
Like,
Clean it. Vibe. You like them?
yeah, I want to look at the zipper.
Yeah, there's a little zipper in there. So these are cool. These were about 420 bucks with the mounts for the pair. So it's a really good price, and they shipped out same day.
Turns like...
All right, here's the instructions. Rzr200. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, remove the seat by sliding. All right, we got the seat forward. Ooh, we gotta take the factory seats out first.
I see the difference now.
It's coming up?
Yeah.
All right. Keep going, all the way up. Then we'll take the other side off.
These doors.
Get out the door, you gotta get out. That is heavy.
I got it. Oh, strong.
Alright, put it over there.
Let me grab it.
Got it? Careful.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, seats are all out. Easy, just 2 bolts on each one. 10 millimeter. Now we're gonna tackle this seat bracket, which is over here. So then this has to go and we have some seats.
Let's probably tie them up so we can get these ones.
Ready to go in. We just got to touch these sliders back on, and I think we've got it. Took a little bit of fendangling, but we're almost there.
Can I show them my blister?
Yeah, show me your blister. She touched the hot drill bit.
Yeah. My professor said pain helps the spot that you get hurt, the stronger it gets.
He's on the little risers. Bit of a pain in the butt with the carriage bolts, but it's doable. Keep them as wide as you can, and it'll slide align in better. So then we're gonna tighten them down. Done. That's it. All right, one more. How's that feel?
I think the steering wheel, you don't need to change it anymore.
But how's the...
It's closed now.
The seat's a bit more far forward than before. I
Yeah.
can probably go back a little bit more. That's further back, right?
Yeah, that's further back.
I got one down. It goes back a little bit less than the stock, but it fits pretty good. Keeps her in a good
Nice.
position. We will put the other one in. I like the look. It's a little bit hard for me to drive now, but I'm sure that makes her happy. She doesn't want me driving it.
Hey.
Got those new seats. They look sturdy. How's it feel?
Good.
Bit more comfortable than the other ones?
I like this one.
You like these better? Yeah? They're gonna have your harness bars will go through there and then through here to keep you guys nice and safe, and then you got a submarine seat. So
Okay.
everything else feel good in there? Yeah? Alright. Say give us a follow. This is episode 1 of the Rzr build.